Welcome. The things we're going to be talking about today are the life cycle, specifically the life cycle of the butterfly and the bird. I will start at the egg on both examples and then work my way back to the egg. First, the butterfly. The life cycle of a butterfly starts off as an egg. As it hatches, it becomes a caterpillar, then progresses into a chrysalis, and then finally a butterfly, which lays its eggs and the process starts over. As the caterpillar grows, it eats plants and leaves. When the caterpillar has grown, it creates a chrysalis where it will change form. After it becomes a butterfly, it eats the nectar from flowers. At the end of its life, it lays eggs on the underneath side of a leaf, mainly to keep them safe from predators. Butterflies live in warmer climates and have been known to migrate during the colder months. Living components within the life cycle of the butterfly are the trees and leaves in which it lives and eats. A non-living component of the butterfly would be the warm temperatures in which it lives. There are numerous predators for the caterpillars and butterflies, such as lizards, other insects, and birds. Which takes us to our next life cycle, birds. Again, the bird starts off as an egg in a nest. It hatches into a nestling, a baby bird that cannot fly, then grows into a juvenile, a bird just learning to fly, then on to an adult bird that can lay eggs. As an egg, the mother would sit on them, keeping them warm until they hatch. The incubation period varies with each bird species. Incubation can last as little as 11 days, as in the yellow-billed cuckoos, and as much as 85 days with the brown kiwi. As a nestling, the baby birds are entirely dependent on mom and dad for their protection and their food. The juvenile bird is learning to fly and to forage food for themselves. The adult birds are finding their mate, their own food, and having babies of their own. Sometimes the courting rituals can look like they're dancing. Birds live all over the world in nests in trees, in our homes, and even in cold climates such as Antarctica, like the penguin. A living component in the life cycle of the bird would have to be the trees and the grass on the ground where they build their nests, and the insects that they eat. A non-living component would be the water that they drink. Birds eat seeds and other animals such as rabbits, other birds, and even alligators. Although birds can be carnivores, they are also prey for other animals such as squirrels, snakes, and we can't forget human beings. And of course, people eat caterpillars too.